Hello, dear students. I, Dinesh Karmalkar, your comedy teacher, welcomes you to JVM's English School Kalwa online teaching classes. And today we will see our next practical of Standard 8. Now, the objective of this practical is today we are going to do revision of lab activity 2 from page number 62. So, this is the second lab activity from this chapter. It is on page number 62. Already we have finished this lab activity before, but once again we are going to revise this. And for this, the software requirements is as usual. We are going to use Microsoft Access 2016, which is the part of Microsoft Access Office package. If you want to use Microsoft 2019, that also you can use. But if you are using lower versions like Microsoft Access 2010, the steps will be a little bit different. Now in this we have to open access and then create a student table with the following format. You can see these are the field names. 5 fields you have to create with the roll number, class, last name, first name, address. In the address I am not going to enter in detail the address. I am going to enter the city name only. After that I have to create a form using the form wizard, and in that form I have to enter the 10 records. So I will immediately create a form after this, after creating these fields, and then I will enter 10 records in it. Then I will open the form in design view. Then I will save the form and open in the layout view. So I have to open the form design view, then I have to save the form and open the layout view. And in the layout view I will change the background color of the form using the font type. So the full background color of the form I have to change. That's only one option I have to change. In the last practical we have seen so many different options we have changed, but in this practical only, or in this activity we have to do only this one, that is the background color of the full form we have to change. And then we are going to save it and open in the form view. So let's open access for this first. We are going to take a blank database. I'll give the name here as activity 2, page number 62. Here now table is created. Now let's do this field design. In this one I give the name as student because it is written student. Remember, here it is written student. You can see here student name, you have to go to the table, and then I have to design the fields. Fields I will take as roll number here, which is given here, and it is will be number. Next is class, which is a short text. Then last name, which also I will take as short text. Here name I want in and is on capital. Then the first name, short text. Then the address, which is also short text. So all these 5 fields I created. Now I will save this. Okay, this is there, but here they are told to create a form using the form wizard. So for these fields, for this I have to create a form. I'll go to form here and I will do it with the form wizard. I will take all the fields here, roll number, class and address. Then I will click next. I want the you can have this in tabular form or columnar form, column wise, different column wise. Its name I will give as student. Here I will write here student form. Then I will click the finish. Okay, so this form I am getting here. So in this I will give first as roll number 1. Then class I am taking here as 8th standard. Then last name I am writing here. Address I will take anything random, I will just take. Then I will go to next. Then I will take second record. Class I will this time I will take 9th. Again I will take the add here, any random names I'm taking here from, let's say different cities we will use. Here class I will take as let's save this much and see our form or the records. Save this and close this. All the 4 records we have. Now let's put the 5th record. Let's have class. This we will do afterwards. Here let's do in our this form only. Sorry, here class I have to mention. Then next I will do serial number 6. Sorry, 8th. Take it as this one. 7th record, 7th rule number. Rule number 9th. So this is rule number 8 here. Now 9th rule number. The last name I will take as there. The 10th record. See, this is from 9th. So this is where we have made a 10th record. This is 11th record we don't want here. So 10th record we have created. So you can see 1 to 10th record. And these 10 records. Now let's see what we have to do here. In 10 record, then open the form in the design view. We have to open this form in the design view. This form we have to open in the design view. See, this is the form we are getting in the design view. I will be done here. Now after that, what we do, we have to save the form and open in the layout view. We have to save this form. Exactly same steps we are going to follow. We have to save the form. I saved the form here and then open in the layout view. You can see this is the layout view. In this you can see here different, you can all the records you can see here. Okay, now this, if you're putting in the design view, you have to change the background color of the background color of the form, this full form background color onto. So this I will select the full form first. You will select here, click anywhere So you can select the form. If you click any particular this, it will show that list only. We have to click anywhere, and then we have to create the background color of that. So in the format we can use this. Here font is also there, you can see font. So in the font, change the background color of the form using the font tab. Here you can see the font is there. From here we can give different background color. You can see different background color you can give. I will try this one. Yeah, these words are not coming properly, so let's use something else and take some light color. Yes, here you can see. The problem is that if you take any color, this is not coming proper. So let's make this dark first, and then we will use background color. This is not given here in the, it is not asked here, but because it is not clear, let's change this first. This one, this font, I will give this a red color so it is visible. And now you can change this to some, here you can see now, sorry, I want to do this full top green. I will take it this one, you can see how. So this way we have changed the background color of this, that was been shown here. Change the background color of the form using the font tab. This is the font tab, you can see here. Font here, this is a font group already. Format tab is there. In that font group, from here we have to change this. So we have changed this successfully, and that was our last step is save it and open in the form view. So again we have to save this, and we have to open it in the form view. So in the form view, we have to open it. We'll double click this, so it will open in the form view. This is the form view where we can do these changes. See the layout view and design view, and this open is only the form view have. So let's close this and just double click this. This is we are getting is the form view. You can see here, you can just see the records here. So all the 10 records we have, and we have changed the back. This was only the question in this activity, and all the steps we have finished. We have created the table, then we have created the form using the form wizard and entered 10 records. You can see these 10 records, and after that we have open in layout view and change the background color whichever we want here. So you can give whatever background color you want. Let's see another assignment question. For the assignment, you can create a database which is shown in the today's lab activity with different values. You can create a database. I entered here 10 records. So you can also create 10 records, give different values for that, and use different background. Use the make the form with the form wizard. You can also try the same this data. These fields with the form design also. You can make the form with the form design also and with the form wizard. So both way we can practice and give different values and complete this assignment. Now till the next practical, thank you very much.